Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open After Effects and load the project you want to reset the workspace for. Make sure your panels are visible before proceeding with changes. Click Window in the top menu to reveal workspace controls and layout options. Move your cursor to Workspace and pause to show names of available workspaces. Locate the current workspace name listed with a check mark next to it for confirmation. Select that workspace name to reveal the Reset option and prepare to restore default panel positions. Select Reset to restore panels, then confirm when After Effects asks to proceed. The application will close and reopen layout sections without affecting project files. Watch as panels snap back to default positions and floating panels dock into place. If any panel remains missing, use Window to toggle its visibility and bring it back. Consider restarting After Effects if the layout still seems inconsistent after the reset completes. Restarting forces the program to reload workspace definition. After restoring defaults, rearrange panels to suit your workflow and save a custom workspace. Open Window, then Workspace, and choose Save as New Workspace to preserve your layout. Name the workspace clearly so you can switch between layouts quickly when needed. To remove unwanted saved layouts, choose Manage Workspaces and delete entries you no longer use. Remember that resetting a workspace only affects panel layout and tool arrangement, and it does not alter or damage your project media or compositions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.